Do you also own a short-term rental property on Airbnb? Then you must watch these 9 essential tips to help you climb the Airbnb ranking ladder. Keep watching the video if you want to reach new heights of short-term rental business. Tip 1. Setting the right prices. Enhance pricing by researching local comparisons. Adapt for peak seasons. Showcase distinct amenities to validate rates. Extend discounts for longer stays. Tip 2. Selecting appealing photos. Elevate your Airbnb photos. Use natural light for authenticity. Keep rooms clean. Spotlight unique decor. Showcase outdoors, gardens, balconies, views. Offer room variety. Tip 3. Crafting an impeccable title. Be descriptive. Highlight location and use keywords. Keep it catchy yet concise. Reflect the unique experience and update regularly. An irresistible title boosts clicks and your ranking. Tip 4. Managing your calendar. Efficient calendar management is vital. Update availability regularly. Block maintenance time. Set stay requirements. Allow buffer time for cleaning. Sync calendars across platforms to prevent conflicts. A well-handled calendar ensures a smooth experience and boosts Airbnb ranking. Tip 5. Enabling instant booking. Opting for instant booking brings convenience to guests, boosts bookings with quick confirmations, builds trust and streamlines experiences. Enable instant booking for an elevated Airbnb experience and improved ranking. Tip 6. Responding ASAP to inquiries. Quick replies and prompt trust-building responses set you apart, prevent missed bookings, enhance reputation with effective communication, and secure bookings promptly for an elevated Airbnb ranking. Tip 7. Getting positive reviews. Positive reviews establish trust, attract bookings, enhance visibility, offer insights, and foster a sense of community. Prioritizing positive reviews elevates your Airbnb ranking and reputation. Tip 8. Achieving the Superhost tag. It builds trust, boosts visibility, adds credibility with an attractive badge, and provides a competitive edge. Superhosts prioritize guest comfort, earn recognition, and enjoy rewards. Aim for Superhost tag to enhance your Airbnb ranking and credibility. Tip 9. Plus program standards. Elevate quality, aesthetics, and comfort. Gain guest trust with vetted listings, and enjoy a competitive edge through boosted visibility and improved rankings. Elevate your property and Airbnb ranking by meeting Plus program standards. Follow HostX for more tips and tricks to boost earning from short-term rental business. HostX, the ultimate solution to all your short-term rental business needs.